See guys, I did another one. This is a monster though. See the size of these bars? These are really huge. They're 1/4 inch plates and 1/4 inch spacers. It's crazy. A wet cell and some great big heavy duty industrial plates I had from another battery, and I put it in this little box. These little what are these, 16 amp hour boxes? They look like this. So I got enough plates to do that one. It's pretty cool. And I've been charging it, filled it up. See how it's full? There's the other little one, that little squirt that I did. Now let me show you the bolts, and they're coming down. Let me turn off the box over here. Okay. It's gonna settle down maybe at 4 or 5 minutes now. It's been forming the plates, and there's not a lot of power in there, but there's power, which is more than I can say for some of my old worn out batteries. Now I'm gonna hook this little light up for you. See that same little light there, and we'll hook it up to power. See it? Oops, and get it hooked up. See it there? She's running right along at 9 volts already, and that's like 4 or 5 minutes. Fun with Alum batteries. Oh, and I bought some, silicone, the high temperature silicone, so I put that on the box. See, I did this one. See, I got the high temperature silicone on the inside and the out, so it's just a talk piece. It has power. You could put a little solar panel on it, and put some that LED out there. Run about 3 of those all night in your yard.